Now, ever notice that, with your green pan, use it over and over again, you're gonna notice that it becomes less non-sticky than it was brand new. And you can tell this by when you're washing out your green pan, the water should just completely shed off of the bottom in a matter of less than a second. It just shed right off. If the water starts to accumulate and just stick to the bottom of the pan, then you know it's time to do a deep clean on it. And if you start seeing the film build up, or if you start seeing it turn to beige a little bit, it needs to have a deep clean. Now you can use a magic eraser, but that works if it's just a mild accumulation. But if it's been on there for a while, like I did here for this demonstration, then we're going to do a deep clean. And it's pretty easy. Basically, you got 1 cup of water and a half a cup of white vinegar. We just pour it into the pan. And now, if you remember from your science project, we're going to put in 2 tablespoons of baking soda. Once you put the 2 tablespoons of baking soda into it, you'll see it start to fizz up. Hear it? That's going to start cleaning action on the bottom of this pan here. And I'll just take a quick stir on it to make sure it's all broken up. And what we're going to do is that I got this thing on sear and saute, and then once it comes up to a temperature, then you're going to want to probably drop it down to 201 just to give it a simmer. And we'll hold this for like about 10 minutes. And then after 10 minutes, we'll just rinse it out and we should be good to go again. So we'll come back in 10 minutes and see what it looks like. Okay, it's been about 10 minutes, so we'll just turn this off. Pick this thing up. You see how the water just shed right off there? Let me just do it again here. So what I'll do right now is that I'll clean this off and then we'll do another test. It's hard to see with all the gunk in there. Okay, so I cleaned off the pan. You can see it looks cleaner. What we're just going to do is put some water in it. Let's see if we can catch this on camera. See the water just peel off? So that means it's pretty clean. The water droplets are not really sticking on the bottom of this. Now, this pan was pretty heavy duty. You should do this as a maintenance thing maybe, once every couple of weeks. But I let it sit so we can show this demonstration. And you can see the water just peels right off. So that's how you restore the non-stick on the green pan. Depends on how often you use your green pan for greasy foods. So I hope you found this demonstration informative. Please click the like button. When you have a chance, please subscribe. And thank you for watching.